Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic to make screencast videos for your students. This is going to be the quick, fast, and easy version. I'll make another video where I'll show you how to do some video editing and some different bells and whistles and that sort of thing. But for this, if you want to just do a one-take video, just to kind of get it done so your students can view it, this is how you do it. So I'm also going to tilt this down so you can see kind of part of my setup here and see exactly what I do. And in this case, I'm using the XP Pen tablet, which we can get from Nathaniel Daniel, and I highly recommend using this. It's great. I love it. If you have a 2-in-1 laptop, you could also use the pen that comes with that and use the touchscreen. And that pen is found down over here, and you can just write directly on the screen. I think that's a little bit harder to do. I like writing on the pen tablet a little bit better, but either one works really well. Excuse me. So the first thing you want to do is get your slides ready. And so in this video, I'm going to do just a quick how to solve two-step equations problem. I'm going to show you two different ways, one where we go through and annotate it, and then another where I've just put in like slide transitions to where I can click through and it'll display each one. I think it's better to do where you actually write yourself. I think our students want to see us actually writing and stuff like it would be in a normal classroom. But if you don't want to do that, you could also just put in transitions like I'll show you here if you were doing a math problem like this, let's say. Okay, so first thing, when I click present here on Google Slides, I get this really annoying taskbar down here or toolbar, and it's just ugly. It's in the way. I don't want it. So one trick that I've discovered by looking things up online is if you highlight where it says edit and everything after that, and then just backspace that and type in preview and hit enter, it brings you to this, and there's no toolbar pop-up. Now you will have a bar at the bottom, and if you see my other video where I show you how to do editing and stuff, I can show you how to make that go away. But this works really well, and we can go full screen mode on that, and we'll be good to go there. All right. So what I want to do is open up Screencast-O-Matic, which you'll need to download and all of that, and then you'll see all of any screen recordings you've already made right here. And then we're going to hit record. Now it's not going to record yet. That's just going to launch the recorder. All right, and whenever you do that, you'll see a couple things pop up. You'll see a webcam, and you should be able to see yourself, hopefully. If you want to change what that webcam is, and I recommend actually changing that and using the dot cam if you've got your IPEVO dot cam. That actually has a better microphone and a better video quality as well. So I recommend doing that. For this video, I'm going to stay with my integrated webcam, just the regular webcam built into the computer. Either one works, though, and your students are just going to appreciate seeing you. Okay, so I've got that set up. A couple things. If I go back over here, you want this to say both. If it just says screen, they're not going to be able to see you. So I want it to be both. If you're doing editing, you can move this around during the editing process, but we're going to do this without any editing. So I'm going to stick this video, my webcam, kind of in the bottom left here of the screen. So let me close that. And the reason for that is I left some white space kind of in the bottom left of my slides. I recommend doing that. And that way I just know I won't write anything right there, and I won't have to move this webcam around because my writing is covered up by it or anything like that. So I just leave some space there at the bottom left. So I'm going to hit full screen. All right, I'll put my webcam there. Now, for this video, I'm going to annotate first. So I'm going to switch over to annotate mode. And you'll see some things pop up here, some different tools. I've got freehand, you've got all these other things, and you can play with those different annotation tools. And you can change colors and size of your writing and all of that. So I'm just going to keep the defaults here and write in red. And I'm just going to hit record. When I hit record, it's going to be a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then I'm going to just do this video like I was doing it for students. All right. Hey, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to solve two-step equations. Here I've got two terms added together. And whenever I have that and I'm trying to isolate x on one side, well, this term is added to it. So I'm going to subtract, which is my opposite or inverse operation of addition. And I've got to do that to both sides here. And so I'm left with 4x, 5 minus 5 is 0, so I don't need to write anything there, equals 17 minus 5 is 12. Here I've got 4x equals 12. 4 times x, so I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. And 4 divided by 4 is 1, so I'm left with 1x, which is just x, equals 12 divided by 4 is 3. All right, that's my video on how to solve two-step equations. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you need help with the homework. All right. Okay, so I hit pause there. Now I'm done with the recording. Now let's say I want to add some more to it. It's not recording right now, but I want to add a little bit more to it. Well, all I have to do is click record again, and then I can keep going with the video. So what I'm going to do here is I want to show you also, I had those other slides where I did the same problem, but I just have them like typed out and put a transition in Google Slides. So I'm going to show you how to do that and add a second part to that video. So I'm going to hit record again. It's going to give me a 3, 2, 1. All right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve two-step equations. In this one, I've got 4x plus 5 equals 17. I need to subtract 5 from both sides. All right, and for the sake of this, I'm just going to go through and finish that. You don't need to hear me solve this problem again. So I would hit pause. I'm done with the recording. Once you're done and you don't need to add anything else to it, you're just going to click done right there. And normally we would edit video if we want to do a few editing things, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But I'm ready to go with this one. It's you know, I've got to get this done. I got other things to do. I'm just going to go for it. My students can at least see me a little bit there. They can. It's got this ugly bar at the bottom, but that's fine. You know, our students are going to be okay with that. I would recommend saving as a video file and then upload to YouTube or upload to Google Drive or wherever. I think we're limited to how much we can host on Screencast-O-Matic. So save it as a video file on your computer. Just keep the normal settings, but you can change this. Quick and easy screencast how to, or whatever you want to call that, and then click publish. And it's going to take a little bit of time. You'll see that right here, but that's fine. That's normal. That it's going to take a little bit of time to do that. Once this is done, it'll be saved on your computer, and you can upload it to wherever you need it to be. Alright, so that's how you make a screencast video, kind of the quick, fast, and easy version. Hopefully that was helpful, and you feel ready to go forth and give this a try. But there's a lot of trial and error, and it just takes time and practice to get this right. This took me several tries before I was able to kind of create videos like this. Alright, thanks for watching.